Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So again, as you can see, whatever we discussed in the daily analysis video for the past week, so everything happened accordingly. And also the last Friday we had Sensex expiry. So before that also, like, I posted the analysis, go and check. And I also said here that Sensex would be giving at least a 600 points move on either side, on one side at least. And yeah, so either 77,900 or 79,100 would be coming. So if you see here, that is Sensex on the expiry day, so 79,100 almost it went. So yes, and after that it got resistance and came down, and halted at around our level 78,800. Okay, so it ends at 78,700. Anyways, very near to our level, which was discussed, and that's where Sensex is consolidating for the past few days. So everything was discussed, and yeah, I hope it worked out for you all. So my analysis, and coming down to members channel. So yeah, so again, this is the same Telegram channel, guys, and all these C was bought. So first half I did not trade because of the high premiums, and also after a gap up, the premiums were too high to buy. So anyways, in the second half, they were very good for scalping, and all these trades were taken. So you can pause the video and check it out. And yeah, only one went wrong, where that also, I said that could be risky, so I marked the I marked the trade as risky, and that only gave loss. But yeah, otherwise, all these trades that were taken, so everything perfectly perfectly went. Okay, so anyways, again, out of 10 trades, one trade should go wrong, otherwise you should you have to be the god of stock market. So anyways, anyways, coming back to the our money flow as well. So again, if you see, money flow was positive in the morning. Nifty went up, but there was a breakout failure, and the things started coming down and went into the neutral zone, and finally closing there. Even for Bank Nifty also, a slightly neutral zone in the morning, and then from 9:47, money flow started going up, and it was showing strength, and finally again the score came down and went to the neutral zone, a little bit of negative, and then again closing at neutral zone. So closing at neutral zone means, again, market can open flat or slightly neutral view going forward. So anyways, we will also see that with the help of the data points. And yeah, so even if you see Bank Nifty as well, it went up, but exactly got resistance at our level 51,578. So all these levels were earlier discussed, and also Nifty coming below, and again consolidating here at 23,850, which was our level. So again, this is a breakout failure, and you can't do anything about it. And the FIIs are selling. So in the December month, they are overall sellers. The DIIs are really giving a push to support the market. So anyways, coming down to option chain. So before going into the option chain, let's also discuss the UOD data. So if you look at the UOD data, so what is happening is fresh short positions, future short positions have been built by the FIIs, and on options in the and prop decks are neutral, okay, in the futures. Talking about option chain here, if you look at FII's option chain view, so they haven't taken any position, so they are totally absent. Okay, so this is nothing like a position. So you can overall say that they have some call buying positions, but again, this is not something what I mean is that if you take some big retail traders, they only take these positions. Take 10 big retail traders, they will be taking cumulatively, they will be taking more positions than this. Okay, so then it's only 47,000 call writing. Okay, so I'm not talking about general retail traders, but the big ones. Okay, those who are trading above, let's say 5 CR, 10 CR. So anyways, coming back to the main point. So here, if you look at prop deck section, so the call writing has been done, but again properly hedged. And also for the put side, put writing has been done, but mostly call writing by the prop decks. And so overall, if you look at the data, so FIIs are having like call writing, and also like put writing positions. So again, let me conclude. So again, for the prop decks, they are having call writing positions, and yeah, and put buying positions overall. Okay. So again, I'm saying that this much of data is like not a very good way to conclude something very strong. And yes, so things are like looking neutral to slightly bearish, not also heavily bearish. And I said that why such scenario is happening, because you have these expiries, and like even you saw on Sensex expiry, that is both side some good moves will be coming, and market will be ultimately going nowhere. So coming down to here, that is like let's read the option chain. So tomorrow we have mid cap Nifty expiry. So talking about Nifty here, that is, if you look at here, that is 23,800. In the money call writers are closing, if you see here, that is, and also like out of the money put writers are building up from the option chain perspective. But again, like 24,000, a good amount of call writers are there, and for the 2nd January I'm talking about, and so on, still like call writers are there, in the money call writers are still standing there, and so things are looking, as I said, like slightly neutral to bearish. Okay. Talking about Bank Nifty, again, you know that Bank Nifty far out of the money is closing, but again, these option chains are not very easy to conclude, because most of the positions are built the last week, because now you don't have Bank Nifty weekly expiry. So now coming down to here, if you see, that is even 51,000 some call riders are waiting for some exit, and also 51,500 some in the money call riders are also waiting, and out of the money put riders are closing. Talking about Fin Nifty, which we have like so let's go to mid cap Nifty, the expiry which we have tomorrow. Again, mid cap Nifty also is mostly positions are built on the expiry day, and I think this would be the last expiry of mid cap Nifty people would be trading. So coming here, that is 12,800 is like giving have 18 lakhs contracts, but again 18 lakhs is nothing. So on the expiry days you will see that sometimes it goes more than once here. So the OI I'm talking about. So that's why like I say that don't conclude very strongly about these OIs, looking at these OIs. Okay. So again, both side as of now you can see little heavy on the call side, but again no conclusion. Okay. And Fin Nifty also inconclusive, because you see option chain is like nil. So the positions haven't started building up yet, and so don't conclude anything. So Nifty is there, and also let's look at the next January month. So in the January month you have 5 weekly expiries of Nifty, so note that down. And yeah, coming down to here, that is even 24,000 also, some are expecting that market won't move, and like if you look at here, 24,000 50 lakhs, and on the call side you have 34 lakhs contracts. So that's the overall. And also like in the money also, if you see 9.7 lakhs contracts, and here also like in the money call writers are there, as we have seen in Bank Nifty, and also like in Nifty. So people are still like having some bearish views, and yeah, also like out of the money put side is looking weak, and in the money you see that 23,500 has 9.7 lakhs contracts, but while look at the out of the money like OI, so nowhere you will see that like it's more than even one. Here you have 1.2. Okay, so that's what you can like analyze from the option chain, that is option chain is looking weak. And yeah, so that's the overall view. So if my analysis are working or helping you, so don't forget to put a like, and also please do share it among the other traders who need such similar help. And if you want to be a member, so don't forget to grab the coupon code which is in the comment section below, where you get access to the money flow indicators, and complimentary access to the Telegram channel where I share my live trades and live analysis. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.